Sinama options ayi-6.
Yes.
So ngenhlanhla bangithatha kwi-photograph. Yazi film and television i-foundation yakhona is photography.
Yeah.
Mawufika nje uzofunda i-film and television. Your first year ufunda nge-lighting na yonke into.
Yeah.
Which is photography
from
the beginning.
Yeah.
So bangithatha kwi-photograph, I was like, okay. So manje ngizoqhubeka ngisebenze and then apply again the following year. I was like, no. Uthi ngithathe in photograph. So for that year, first year lo, because ngangifunda nge-weekend myself.
Okay.
But God, I thank God. Kuthi ukuba ngaqhubeka kwimbewu, I wouldn't have got my second chance. So my second big project was Hostel season 3.
So now usuthola umsebenzi wakho, the department that you wanted to be in, Vel?
No, same department.
Same department.
Yeah, photographer. I did my events, ngashoota nemshado, something I hate shooting. Shooting.
Why do you hate shooting weddings?
Weddings. Kudliwa late ngikhumbula.
Phela wena uzosebenza uyobe guest lapha.
Ngisho kuthiwa naba-guest adla late mfethu. Masifika emshadweni at least kudliwe kusakhulula. Kudliwa late, especially lo mshado leyo.
Ingakho abantu manje sebeya bephethe amakhulapho.
Exactly. Yeah, amakhulapho sikhaphasa nekhaftini no.
Oh my God. Imake lezo ikhaftini ezani mase ufuna ukupheka ukudla nje bahambe nakho. Bafuna ukupheka behambe nakho. Hi guys, and welcome to On Point with Sandy Nene, brought to you by Now Popular Studios. Guys, I'm really excited to have someone once again who comes from endaweni ngikhulele kuyona, which is i-Ink inanda tuzomeni kwaMashu, but yena ke uqhamuka endaweni yakaMashu. Ngimazi ngoWanda kodwa amagama akhe aka-ID Nkosi khona Mchunu. Sawubona.
Yebo njani?
Ngiyaphila
na.
Mawanda igama ewazenzela noma
No.
That's
my second name.
Pho manje indaba ngathi usushintshile manje usuNkosi khona nje. Suddenly usu-embrace uNkosi khona. Abantu ngisho usu-introduce kubantu usuNkosi khona usesiyena uWanda.
Khona into eyenzakalayo usakhula khona abantu abachoose amagama nje. So wagcina kuduma uWanda vele.
Oh, shothi ngoba usumdala usuthanda uNkosi khona.
No, igama elisebenzisa uma ngi-introduce nje mina. I always introduce myself by my first name.
Okay.
Nkosikhona.
Okay. All right.
So abantu bathi uWanda is much shorter and bayawuthanda.
Yeah.
Because uthisha wami at some point wathi kumina uba igama lakhe mina uNkosikhona. Uthi ayilide kakhulu lelo, iliphi elifishane.
Indaba ungasho Nkosi. Ukhona.
Ashintsha kakhulu this
khona.
That's a thing.
Khona makubiza khona.
Nkosikhona. Umuntu ufuna ukubizwa ngoNathi.
Okay.
So ngiyaphika nje ithi Nathi ngisenoNathi baningi uNkosikhona.
Anyways, I'll call you Wanda.
Yeah.
Welcome to On Point with Sandy Nene.
Thank you for having me.
All right.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, guys, in case you're wondering, the reason why I brought uWanda or Nkosikhona Mchunu lana is because he's doing amazing things behind the screens. He is one of the people that are behind shooting Umkhokha, semaning ama production asebenze kona, and we products yala eThekwini of KZN Institute film. I think that's where your passion was more embraced and wafunda oluningi khona. Cela ungitshela nje kahle ngokukhula kwakho nangendlela okhule ngayo your situation ekhaya kanjani after high school because I know that you've always been a busy person. It was hardly ever a time where during after university or university years you've always been busy with something ubamba ngapha nangapha. So tell me.
Yeah, mfana ukhulu kwaMashu lo uzalelwe kwaMashu.
Yeah.
High school was challenging.
Yeah.
Kasho nje ukuthi challenging because ukhula abangani bakho bakhuluma ukuthi bazoba odokotela, bazoba ama-lawyer, azoba yena. I wanted to be a lawyer at one point.
Yeah.
But kodwa ke every time ngibuka umabonakude TV, I always used to say to myself ukuthi hayi ngiyibona mina at one point ngisebenza ka-TV.
Okay, wawuyibona uyi-actor noma ushutha vele ohlezi uthanda ukuba behind the scenes noma fascinated nje ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzeka kanjani lokho?
I was fascinated ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani lokhana. At some point ngaze ngenza idrama ngisakhula. But njengoba ngangenza idrama ngumuntu futhi ophansi onamahloni. So angimuntu ongayithanda izindaba zabantu.
Wawubona ukuthi pressure ama auditions.
Not pressure ama auditions per se, but i-pressure ukuthi mase ulapho usubeka igama uyakwazi awunayo ipiece kahle kahle uthi uqhamuka nje even if you having a bad day you must make sure ukuthi you smile unithomba abantu
umuntu wabantu ufana ukuthi ube umuntu wabantu
so as umuntu o reserved nomuntu ophansi ngayibona ukuthi I couldn't handle that part of TV as a whole, but I think the aha moment for me now, okay, this is what I love, being behind the scenes in terms of the camera.
Yeah.
It was when I saw a movie Akin Omotoso. I think I was going to say KCAP, walk on the film festival, I say KCAP.
Okay.
Then December.
Okay.
And then ngahamba ngobuka movie okhona le movie Akin Omotoso ethi Men on Ground. There was a scene that they did engayibona ukuthi okay ngaze ngayibuza ukuthi ubenzani ngecamera indento abayenza ngecamera and then later found out ukuthi it's cinematography.
Okay, so you wanted to learn now.
I wanted to learn.
Okay, I want to be able to do that.
Yes.
All
I
right.
wanted to learn. You want to be able to tell a story.
Yeah.
Nkomishi nje per se.
Yeah.
You don't have to show izinto eziningi on a teaspoon.
Yeah.
And then as a viewer, when you born and you are intrigued ukuthi yenza kanjani lento necamera izosuka from inkomishi bese iyaphuma and then it goes to the left.
Yeah.
That's called dilonto panning kahle kahle. I was fascinated.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then was what to know, this is what I want to do.
This is what I want to do.
Since I can't be in front of the screen, I'll be behind the screen.
Behind the screen.
Oh,
so
wow.
I iphuma nje Akin, I introduced myself to him. Ngakhuluma naye and then later on wangibiza for ewenza casting la eThekwini for movie yakhe le iVaya because I was there on one of the days la ebiza khona abantu for ama callbacks, not on the actual first audition but I was there for my callbacks.
Oh wow, okay, to audition to play,
not to audition, to be
to
with
assist
him,
and okay,
to be with him and then ma audition lapho he'll actually tell me ukuthi when you are auditioning this is what I'm looking
so
for.
he mentored you for a day.
He mentored me for a day.
Oh wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Maybe that I think you learned a lot when it comes to discipline. I
learned a lot.
Yeah.
And ngabona nama hardships that ama actors they go through.
Usa in contact now?
No,
you're not in contact.
Not in
Anyways,
context.
Hakeem, in case you see this podcast, was you actually one of the people that inspired uWanda to be where he is now. Actually, I'm interested ukuthi wafunda kuphi isikole?
Ngafunda kwaMashu, qale ePhuthumane lower primary and then ngaya ePhakama for higher primary and then high school ngifunda at Dr. J.L. Dube. John Langalibalele Dube.
Oh, okay.
Kwadi kwaMashu.
Okay.
The same school that uNomzamo Mbatha is revamping now.
Okay, yeah. I saw Unomzamo Mbatha revamping with Hollywood Bets.
Yes,
they're doing some things.
Cotton On Foundation.
Oh wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Yeah. Shout out to Unomzamo Mbatha, one of our homegirls as well.
Yeah.
I know that to AJL Dube, one of the people that I've brought here for an interview, Jomo, actually went there as well. Yeah. Jomo, TikToker.
I know
with TikToker, Lowe Kand.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and then after high school, how was your life in high school? Like, which part of the activities in school were you active on? Okay.
High school. Ngangenza idrama nje ngasekhaya kwaMashu Art Center.
Okay.
But esikoleni I didn't do izinto eziningi. I think ngadlala cricket kancane valo course like me and my books.
KwaMashu Art Center kusakhona namanje?
Basakhona oVusimakhanya useyemuvela to another place now.
Yeah.
I think I dabbled a bit with Flatfoot Dance Company ifakwe yena uButvusi.
Okay.
Ngidansa no Gabriel Youngstar. And
Okay,
then
so you've also done dancing as well.
African contemporary, yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Ilapho
Okay.
sangazikhona ngisayiscore.
Yeah, usayisigoro usajim. Hayi manje ngeke ngisho ukuthi uyinkinsela manje.
Like dance is fitness nje.
Yeah. All right. Ngiyakuzwa. And then high school, after high school, waqeda high school you went to DUT.
Yeah, I went to DUT because kubuzile ukuthi ngakhula kanjani ekhaya not so ekhaya nje uma kuthiwa maqeda isikole indlela engikhule ngayo mina because ngasho ukuthi I had a single parent ngakhulisa uma so ubaba wayengekho and then uma wakhulisa ama family members naye so wathi uthi okay mase usuqeda ukufunda ke fanele uyosebenza
Okay.
So after high school wafanele ngiyosebenza.
You didn't go straight to university.
I didn't go straight to university.
Kwamele uhambe uyosebenza.
To go work ngafike ngasebenza.
Awusebenza ke?
Ngawuthola nje right kamnandi. Ngangithinta lapha nalapha I think ngangena na kwe agent for Transnet. But la ngasenza khona isikhathi eside Oyster Box Hotel. Yeah, I was working there for like 3 years.
What were you doing there?
Ngangiclean amaphula khona.
Yawazi ubhukuda
nje neclean.
Yawazi ubhukuda.
Awuhlala eThekwini.
I mean ngihlala eThekwini angikwazi nje ukubhukuda.
Hayi ngiyakwazi ubhukuda nje.
Okay, so you at least as much as you were cleaning pools, but I'm sure you were earning a reasonable income. Since Oyster Box is I mean it's a 5-star.
It's one of the best hotels in Umhlanga.
Yeah, and how long was that?
I think 3 years ngisebenza khona.
Wow,
3 years ngisebenza khona and then at one day yazi lo khona something la phakathi ukuthi hayi this is not for me.
Exactly, you're still not yet fulfilled.
I wasn't fulfilled.
As much as you were getting the money, you were able to do some things ekhaya and taking care of yourself, but you were just not happy.
I was not happy. So one day I was like, okay, let me try some means ukuthi ngikwazi ukubuyela esikoleni.
Yeah.
Then nga-apply ke ngathathwa. The minute ngitshela umlungu ukuthi ngifuna ukuhamba wanginika i-promotion wathi uzongenzela i-license nayo yonke into. I was like, I'll think about it. Kodwa athi inhliziyo yakho to school.
Oh my God. You followed your passion.
Yeah, ngafunda, ngifinance for the first year, the second year ngazama.
Why finance kanjani?
Yeah.
Were you saving this cut?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, sebenza hapa
ngiyapha. How old were you?
Ngene Oyster Box, I think I was 1920.
Okay.
1920 because
already also disciplined to saving.
Yeah, mina ngifike nje. Abantwana ngibafika no 17, 16. Nafika sengina 21, 22.
Yeah. And how was that? I'm sure engeke pressure because ungabonakali.
I don't know. I can't go pressure God.
As would say, and most people, they always say, and actually I understand, it's very difficult to usuke ukade usebenza uqeda isikole uhamba uyosebenza because suwazi imali it's difficult ukuthi uqale phansi ubuyele esikoleni because uyazi ukuba nemali uyazi ukusebenza uyazi payday taking care of yourself and all of that wena kodwa wakwazi ukuthi ube disciplined ukuthi no I need to go back to school.
Good difficulty, but I think there was always this ringing ekhanda lami ukuthi uma wayehleze esho ukuthi nginawo matric mina but ngibona ukuthi nginjani.
Yeah.
I always want you ukuthi mase qeda isikole niye university so that ngizoba better nalento engiyona mina.
Okay, so uma wakho wayesakhona emhlabeni wayesakhona isikhathi usucabanga ukuthi uye DUT wayesakhona wayeseshile. So now ekhanda lakho kasegringa ukuthi yene oh no. Because now I want to achieve something that my mom couldn't. My mom sent me to school to achieve something, but uyafuna ukuthi ngidlulele kwi level yakhe since she also has matric. I want to know, let me go to university so khona ngizokwazi
ukuthola leyo diploma. And I did acquire that diploma.
And then what did you apply for?
I applied for video technology DUT.
Okay. So you were following your dream. Already you had an idea.
But bang reject. Yeah, for that one. So I need to know my options I6.
Yes.
So ngenhlanhla bangithatha kwi-photograph. Yazi film and television i-foundation yakhona is photography.
Yeah.
Mawufika nje uzofunda i-film and television. Your first year ufunda nge-lighting na yonke into, which is photography from the beginning.
Yeah.
So bangithatha kwi-photograph, I was like, okay, so manje ngizoqhubeka ngisebenze and then ngi-apply again the following year. I was like, no, uthi ngiyithathe i-photograph. So
Yeah.
for that year, first year loyo, cause ngangifunda nge-weekend ngasebenza.
Okay, so usebenza ngama-weekend?
Angikhwithanga straight kulo.
Oh, so that was so nice of umlungu ukuthi to actually accept ukuthi wena uqhubeke. Guys, you can do it. If ubona ukuthi wena umsebenzi umqashi wakho is open to ama-ideas ukuthi wena you can go back to school usebenze ngama-weekend, because I mean that was the best decision for you.
That's what Jason did for me. What's nje okay?
Ima Jason Kamalaki.
Yeah.
Do you still speak to him? Do you visit him every now and again?
Not now.
Not really.
Not really.
Okay.
It's been some time.
Okay, so you did photography. So that's why I was seeing you freelancing most of the time.
Events for ngishoot.
Durban Fashion Fair.
Yeah.
Durban Fashion Fair. Yaya Mavundla. Yaya Mavundla owes me an interview. Walala. Yaya Mavundla owes me an interview. But ngiyazi ukuthi whenever she comes to Durban, she'll pitch for an interview.
Shout out to Yaya.
Shout out to Yaya. I remember she used to fly you to Joburg. You were doing Mzansi Pride. Yaya has been and
I think that was the first big
Pride
event.
Yeah, Kumbula, you told me you're going there.
I went there for a whole weekend. Somewhere in Yorkville.
Yeah.
Some hotel there. But it was hectic.
And I'm so glad to actually I've witnessed some of the things. Shame RIP to Stephen Brown. I remember I used to see you at Durban Fashion Fair and Stephen Brown. Remember I'm doing Roy Kel. Organize my tickets to Fishan. We're in charge of the PR. So you did photography.
No, Diva Kadash.
Oh, Diva Kadash. Shout out to Diva Kadash, makeup artist. Yeah, where you makeup artists are so amazing. Guys, it's so nice that the people that espouse you, they are doing well, and now you're doing well. Now I'd like to think I'm doing well here on my podcast. Yeah. Okay, so you started doing photography. What you did for?
Photographer. I did my events. I shoot an imshado. Something I hate shooting. Shooting.
Why do you hate shooting weddings?
Weddings. Kudliwa late ngikhumbula.
Phela wena uzosebenza uyobe guest la.
Ngisho kuthiwa naba guest adla late mfethu. Masifike emshadweni ngeglisi kudliwe kusakhulula. Kudliwa late, especially la mshado leyo.
Ingakho abantu manje sebeya bephethe amakhula box.
Exactly. Amakhula box phapha nekhaftini no.
Oh my god. Imake lezo ikhaftini ezani masefuna ukupheka ukudla nje bahambe nakho. Bafuna ukupheka behambe nakho.
Khona uzodwa. Because ku-invitation ukubhala ukuthi umshado uzoqala ngo-9. Bavele bafike late ubakota afike ngo-11. Ayidliwe ngo-2 kodwa kudliwe ngo-5.
Yeah, hey. Izinto kufanele ukuthi bayilungise.
Kudliwe izinto kufanele bayilungise lezo. And into engingekise kuyoshutha ke. Cela nikhokhela ama-photographer bakwethu. Hawu. Even come on last minute imali ayikho.
But did you make money from photography?
Not really. Different to sebenzela.
You were building your CV most of the time.
Yeah.
But also ngeke phela lokho ushuthile mahhala.
Yeah, lento engisho nje bona baqhamuka sebethethe umuntu manje ngine-event kanje kunomshado kanje and then ngicela uzongishuthela but imali ayibudget ayikho.
So lesithombo usuyishutha ko DFF kephi wawusuke uyayidayisa. Do you send it to media houses? What do you do to them?
Angithi phela the organizer will hire you and then mase beqashile mase kunika imali unika yena. Or umuntu owenza social media yakhe uzokutshela ukuthi fanele unike ba yena. Okay. When wenza corporate kwenza kanjalo.
Kungcono futhi
usenzela abantu ngasekhaya umnika ithombe zakhe bese kunikile imali yakho.
Yeah. Ukugwema indaba zokupostana ko Facebook nokulandelelwa. All right, do you still do photography?
Angisayenza photography. I think ngathi from school ngathi ngiqeda nje i-diploma the same year ngathi ngiqeda my third year I went to do film and television.
Yes.
After
with the
movie tech. Huh?
With Otino, Valentino.
Valentino.
Yes, shout out to Valentino.
Yeah.
Shout out to yes, so Valentino. The other one is doing amazing in fashion and music. Valentino.
Yes, Valentino.
And then the other one
an online radio station.
Yeah, the other one has an online radio station, Evoke Radio, and the Sneakers podcast.
Pamandla
Nomandla is doing Uspa owes me an interview as well.
That's a group.
And you're doing well, eh?
Yeah.
You're doing well.
Yeah.
Class, I'm sure the class was bigger.
2014. Yeah. Bakhona abanye ngiyababona abantu bama-extra
in the industry. Kuma-extra. So when you got umuntu uzothola i-internship.
uNkulunkulu namadlozi bebenami. Yeah. So ngathi ngiqeda nje ngiyofunda khona.
Yes.
Ngaphe
okay, and then lawo ma-opportunities lawo uyizwa kanjani? Because naturally nokuthi apply nani?
Kuphi?
Because you were friends, vele.
Lewe kade sengibabala mina we did film and television now. From university, abangenza photography nabo. Abaningi ngiyabazi benzani. Baqhuba ne-photography.
Yeah.
Omunye usenza Mr. Price.
Yeah.
Shoot ama-catalog.
Okay, that's nice.
Omunye bewu-professor DUT.
Wow. Yeah. So now I'm about to say, oh no, I've shot this on Mzansi Magic, I've done this, and I'm currently doing Umkoka, which is training every day.
I actually don't talk about myself that much.
You don't?
Serious, I don't.
Because now I've also recently found out, so you're actually shooting on Umkoka when we started talking again. Because you don't even post much, you don't do that.
I don't post.
Why?
I'm all about work.
You're all about work.
I'm all about
why
work.
You don't post? Well, but I know that not everyone is for social media. But sometimes, it's for the best shooting. Posting because, you're inspiring other people. You're showing them, okay, I'm Tule. I went and studied this. I went and did this. And then now this is where I am. Just snippets of your life right now.
What, on socials?
Yeah, just to update them. You don't.
Still.
Okay, social media akazidlala indima enkulu empilweni yakho. Or why don't you like to post? Because I'm sure.
As I said, to go to private.
Yes, no private. Phansi private poser mans.
Yeah. So my life has been Ibihamba, I don't know.
Yeah.
Because it was duty, photography, after photography, film and television.
Yes.
I think I was employed by the Center for Creative Arts.
Okay.
Apparently after matric ngenza learnership marketing and graphic design.
Okay, yes.
So ngesikhathi ngiyowenza leyo interview ngavele bangithatha as a marketing coordinator for Durban International Film Festival 2015.
Wow.
So that's where I met abantu abaningi when it comes to celebrities. Let's
speak about the people that we celebrate and the people that you shoot almost every day.
Now,
what don't you like about working with celebrities? Ngayithandi.
As much as umuntu ophansi ngiyazwala nabantu outside of their
character. Yeah.
I just get your energy and then we must vibe ourselves. If we don't, we don't.
If we don't vibe, then
so
there doesn't need to be any feud or hard feelings and whatsoever. You're all about positive energy. Okay, you did your film course, ne?
Yeah.
And then after that, your film course, your first big production that you shot, what was it?
My first big production that I shot was Mbewu.
Mbewu.
How
did you apply for that? Did you apply for that? Where's Ongoba?
I did apply for it. Gashojala, I did apply for it.
Where's Ongoba? In order to apply to
social
media?
Shout out to award-winning director Mengameli Nhlabathi.
Mengameli Nhlabathi, shout out to you. Shout out to you. Yes.
So Umenga, she's a friend of mine. Ngamazi, directing shoots ngasebenza kwi-Center for Creative Art for iDIF.
Okay.
There was a program there that I was running, Talents Durban.
Okay.
So he was hired under me. And then ngammeetha lapho. Njengoba ngithi I set my energies. Sazwana lapho.
Okay.
Because it wasn't ukuthi I'm the leader and ngimqashile.
Sabalingani.
Sazwana lapho nje.
Yeah.
Sabangani from there. So imbewu yaqala. And then the following year isizobuya for the second season January. And then wangitshela because I was talking to him.
Yeah.
Okay, ngiyakujabulela ususebenza kanje, and he was actually a director. Aqala ukudirector. Waqedirector kuZalo kodwa.
Okay.
And then wasengena kwimbewu.
Okay.
And then wasethi one day wasethi kumina, okay, nayi email sent to uCandice. Shout out to uCandice.
Shout out to Candice.
Yeah. uCandice ngamsendela email. I think akuphela ngisho 2 hours.
Okay.
Wamsendela back email, let's come tomorrow.
Wow.
So
to start. Or to meet.
What I'm feeling nje ekseni ngo7. When I got there, I was wearing a white t-shirt khumbula kahle. Wathi yeah, go downstairs to the studio. Mangifika studio, I met my boss until today.
Okay. Which year was this?
Imbewu 2018.
2018, okay.
2018. One second season.
Okay.
Masaqedile the first one.
Okay.
So ngasebenza lapho ke from there. Ngangena kwi-department engangiyithanda kodwa ke. Anyways, bangifaka kwi-group department.
Yeah, like I think abanye abantu fanele ukuthi bayifunde futhi ukuthi it doesn't mean ukuthi you will study this and then you will get this. Into ebalulekile sometimes is actually getting into that space because you don't know being in that space ukuthi izokulidela entweni ekanjani.
And then mawufika lapho ungadeleli make connections.
Exactly.
And then nabangani.
People always say this. People always say this ukuthi yena ungadeleli nongayiphakamisi. Guess it goes a long way.
Mawuyiphakamisa nje kuthiwa awudeleli, but mawuyiphakamisa uyabonakala.
Okay.
Because everyone is always watching.
Okay.
Yeah. So ngasebenza kanjalo. I think that project led to the second one. Because ngasebenza kwimbewu as we second units. Ngangangeni kwi-main units. For some odd reasons. Yeah.
That you would like to share or not?
No.
Okay.
But God, I thank God. Kuthi ukuba ngaqhubeka kwimbewu, I wouldn't have got my second chance. So my second big project was Hostel. Season 3.
So now suthola umsebenzi wakho the department that you wanted to be in, Vel?
No, same department.
Same department.
Yeah. But
also it grows your CV.
Hostel, yes, the thing is with the hostel it was a little bit weird. But it was fun. Because indlela engangena ngayo hostela nga request kahle.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
no nginamanga. It wasn't a hostel because in hostel I don't get mina nga request because of the second big lotus,
which was
Umkhokha. The drama lo dala on Sundays kuphela.
Okay. So usuka kude nomkhokha?
Yes.
Okay.
Khokha the drama lo lotus iboss yakho.
So the drama, the same people are the people that are shooting and owning it now?
It was the same DOP who was shooting.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Different productions, but DOP wa umuntu oyi-one.
Oh.
Because ngasebenza kahle nayo uPeter Moloto. Ngasebenza kahle naye on Umkhokha the drama.
Shout out to Peter Moloto.
Yeah. Shout out Peter. And then was request ku hostel. Because apparently I think my department and my levels are corn. Yeah, so dolly, but I have got steady hands. So with the dolly I'm very perfect.
So also nanokuba steady mawune dumbe nje hayi awulungi. What if like you studied that thing manje mawune dumba which is ngeke fanele bakutshele nasesikoleni. Fanele I think esikoleni fanele basho kodwa ke. Yabo? Izinto guys mawune dumbe please don't study in Londozana. Actually film none yabo.
But you can because in my department of marketing
ahlukene but
but
don't apply for the job because
with film it's not about the camera and lighting and acting only.
Yes
I-wardrobe leto igqokile ka wardrobe ufuna umuntu ozowasha ingubo mase ngiqedwe igqoka Abumama nje noma wakini aunt ozofika washe ingubo khona abantu ayinayo. And then nama wardrobe standby umuntu ozothatha izinto from the office ayilethela ngoba siyashoot.
Okay, lapho kuhayirishwa abantu who started film. Most of the time.
Most of the time,
Yeah.
but kahle kahle ufake ube nayo lokho because abenza makeup baphuma ka the beauty industry.
Oh yeah.
It's the beauty industry. Basebenza ka wardrobe ama-seamstress amaningi.
So how was working with Mbewu?
Working in Bill, it was fun.
It was fun.
It was fun.
How
It
long
was
were you
nice.
there?
I was there for until Iziphelele, so it was fun.
Oh wow.
Actually, vala season 6.
Eh.
Njengoba izovala ngase ngishootha because kwaba ilonto umkhokha ehostela. After hostela, we were told even before start the hostela we're going to Olundi to shoot uZulu Nomhlaba.
So there's too much traveling here as well.
I traveled with uZulu Nomhlaba.
Nokudla.
Obviously. Uthufika nje kuseni.
Uzokhipha phi gym ngoba gym phela.
Kanjani phela phela.
Yeah,
usithatha isikhathi sokujima ungena ngo-6 from
nesikhathi sokudla
It's
kuphela.
12 hours a day.
Wow.
Yeah.
How many
That's
times a
check.
week?
I think I've been working 6 days a week for since
6 days a week?
yeah.
One off?
Yeah.
Nge-off yakho wenzani?
Ngiyalala.
When do you go shopping?
Angiyasithola isikhathi.
Okay.
Ngima production break but kodwa ngithi mawuyenza drama like e-hostela umkhokha the drama noZulu Nomhlaba basinika like
So there's a lot of
10
work
weeks.
as well. So it's not about, oh no, I'm excited about this. You
Yeah.
need to put in the work.
Yeah, it's 8 to 10
Kuyaxoshwana futhi.
Ama-drama is 8 to 10 weeks or 12 weeks and then shoot mhlawumbe 5 days depending on production manager i-schedule kanjani and then uyalontuza uyakwazi
So I
ukuthola
think,
isikhathi between.
as you were saying, you ukukhula kwakho disciplined you so much to actually understand and be easy to work with. Hence, you last emsebenzini. I mean, you worked with Mbewu from a certain season until its final season, and then from Mbewu, when Umkhokha was coming back
Yeah.
as a telenovela,
Yeah.
you
Nakhona
were then
sezwa
requested.
I wasn't requested.
Also,
but
it's on Mbewu when, or you applied.
for Umkhokha kwenze the same thing yenzeka isikhathi ngiphuma ngayo. 'Cause
Okay.
Ku-hostel athiwa okay so Ulundi after this project and then mangifika ngale kathiwa asiqedeni la we're going down to shoot Umkhokha. I was like okay.
So like
Ukusebenza kahle neboss yami.
yeah, ukusebenza kahle neboss yakho.
Yeah.
Ukulamba ukutholi kakhulu. Ukuthi yena siyavala ke le show lena manje so I need to sit and apply.
Yeah, kukhonyana khona but I think for the past 3 projects angazi ngihlala ukuthi kuphelile i-project angisazi ukuthi ngiyaphi.
Which has been the longest isikhathi ohlalayo looking for a job masivalile project ever since your career started?
Because ngangi-second unit kuMbewu mina. I think kuMbewu yangizusa leyo nto.
Okay.
Kula amanye I was working constantly.
Throughout.
Constantly.
Okay, wow, that's really nice. Shout out to you and shout out to the woman that raised you. Ngiyazi ukuthi uhlala nogogo manje.
Nah, apparently ugogo she.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I'm really sorry. But the last time we spoke, ugogo wakho wasn't okay.
Yeah, shout out to Makuzwa. Yeah.
Makuzwayo.
Yeah, so she 2020, yeah, December.
Oh, okay.
Ashiya December.
Oh, okay. Shout out to her.
Waphumula ngazithi washiya waphumula because she was blessed.
Uyazi uthena abanye abantu banokuthini balokuthi yena mina ngakhula kanzima kabi ngeke sengiphumelele manje akizwe bonke ubumnandi badakwe bagroove benza zonke izinto the person changes ngabe sabu yena lo muntu now that they are surrounded with celebrities banjani but when you've stayed grounded and onto the okay, this is my next goal, this is what you want to do, this is kanje. How when's kanjani lokho?
I think ukuzazi. Hayi ukuthi uyitshele ukuzazi ukuthi okay ngiphumaphi ngikhulisa ubani ngiyaphi. Because if you still use the same rules that abantu abaphilayo ogogo nobani kade bekunika wona, you'll never go wrong.
Are you friends with certain celebrities? Do you have any celebrity friends? Like umngani, or leza samsoshisa inyama, asambise kaMax, asambise
There's a
yathini.
couple.
Oh, there's a
Ngana
couple of
uThando
them.
ngiyakukhumbula.
Okay. Uthando ba Uthando.
Udlala uhlelo kuMzara.
Oh, okay. So uyena nabanye.
I don't want to drop any big names.
Yeah, no,
so,
that's fine.
Yeah.
Kunjani ukuba umngani celebrity?
The thing is, umuntu amtreat as
Usumtreat as
babone
yena.
nje. Even nabo bayazi ngibabiza ngegama.
Maybe
Igama
okay, let's say
labo.
Tsenhambile because
Yeah.
okay, I also do have some celebrity friends as well. Sengiyasho phela ukuthi yena for like for other people, let's say bakuvakashelile nje. Abantu ngakini at some point do they baba awkward?
Ngabavala ekhaya mina leyo nto. Ngabavala ekhaya ngathi mina mayifike la usibanibani. Kwamanje ngihamba noNtokozo, umazeza umhlaba kuze nomhlaba.
Yes.
Bamazeza usabelo kumkhokha ukhona.
Yes.
But mabilo befuna ukushoot ithombe mina kazi benikhumbula ukuthi this is uNtokozo not uLondozo.
Yeah. Let the person be.
Let the person be. Ufike la uzovashela mina ngingambhodarishi ngeyithombe.
I'd
Bese
love to.
ngibuza yena ukuthi uyathanda ukushootha nabo.
Yeah. So there's something that I've been doing for quite some time. It's called Into the High School Shows. I'd love to invite you next year. Since you're someone from Inc. that's doing great within your career. So we visit some high schools, specifically matric invite us so that we travel with you. You get to see the things that we do. Sambile. Are you okay? Besides umkhokha right now, okay. Asiqhubeke ne-career yakho futhi kahle kahle. Ngase ngiyikhatha manje. You got umkhokha. How is shooting umkhokha?
Challenging. If you're shooting a long form per se, the whole year we are shooter, you weather seThekwini layazi.
Oh.
So sometimes ilanetha, and then you have to make means to shoot inside. You should take inside, you have to rap, and then if you rap, you drop in scenes. You're actually putting more days with initial schedule to shoot the whole season in 10 months or 11.
Okay.
But kodwa ke bekumnandi nje ukubona iKZN kahle kahle ngoba as much as sihlala la KZN izindawo eziningi asizazi.
Okay.
Because sishootha Hillcrest, sashootha kaNyusa, sashootha vele kaMthembu bekula eLalusha. We shot I even went to a place when ngqala ukuthi khona indawo ethize Asegay. So kaGumede now is indlu yakhona ise Asegay.
Okay. Oh wow.
So you're traveling.
Yeah, so amanye ama-perks nezinto ezimnandi about working in a production ngemaphi? Traveling, free food.
Yeah, free food.
Free traveling.
And not free per se, depending on how much or how much production.
Hayi phela kodwa usuke khona ngeke bekushiye stranded, usuke khona transport, so there's free traveling. Wena usuke ithalelwa ukuhamba imoto yakho.
Yeah, I told myself a long time ago, I'm writing to take him out to Crown was going to travel. I mean,
I'll claim any petrol.
You can't shuttle, but I don't.
You don't claim petrol? I'll claim. You're not allowed to.
I'm production, they give you money.
Oh, for your own petrol. Because I'm sure Mojenako, since you have a big car, I'm sure kuba kugcine sokhona abantu osubathutha nawe anisebenza nabo.
Towards the end, bengithanda ukuhamba ngedwa because I like to blast my music.
Oh,
especially if I feel like my day is gonna be crap, so I need to calm myself. I need to calm myself in Kalimbo.
And you use music, I saw when we were coming here to studio.
Yeah, I use music to.
What type of music do you listen to? Afropop?
Not Afropop. I listen to any music that has
a meaning.
Yeah.
At that particular time when you're feeling.
Music that has words of inspiration, love, motivation, and perseverance. Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. Music udlala indima engakanani empilweni yakho?
A very big part of indima music. Yeah, because it reminds me of my mom as well. Because she was a singer. Yeah, and then ngasho njalo because ngitshela usisi wami unqobile at one point ngithi mina ngithathe i-DUT ngiyofunda i-photography nani nani. Wathi hawu kanjani manje because they always thought ukuthi ngizokwenza music.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you're also a musician.
Apparently I can sing.
Ate
They
ngikuze
say.
ngikuzwile emotweni yakwazi.
Yes,
Do you think as time goes you embrace that talent of yours?
I don't think I'll ever sing for money
Or
or for
as a career?
as a career.
Why?
As I just said, music calms me. So
It calms you.
mase kuthiwa ngiyalontuza. As somebody who's worked with Gabriel, who's worked with a couple of people from music.
Mm-hmm.
I to music we trend.
Yes.
So humble with the times. You can't release ingoma about love. One of them because everyone is getting in the spirit of Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in isikhathi sokurelease ingoma zothando, it's around January because you're leading to February.
Unless leyo ngoma yothando yakhona it's a dance song.
Okay.
Kind
okay.
of dancey, not even soulful or something.
People can vibe to.
People can vibe to. So when I'm a manager and I wanna write something that I feel now, and then when as a music manager or a producer or whatnot, you are pushing, okay, let's follow DJ Waffles now,
Yeah.
or something, and I feel at the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I look at people who are talented like Nati. Oh,
Mankai.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, ingoma yabo they resonate with umuntu, and then I think Abameka kuqala yona eyanyuka kakhulu, and then he started singing more about him and his family. So angazi ukuthi ayidayisi ngani, beyadayisa but it's not as big as
It's not as big as ezinye zezinto zabantu abavalelwa ngaphandle.
because I think it's independent
and
now.
people with power, yes.
Yeah.
People with power can close doors for you.
They can close doors. I think they closed. Maybe bakhona bamvalele ama-doors because he wanted to do something that resonates with him.
Yeah, most people
Yeah.
I mean, he has spoken about it for quite some time. Kubuhlungu kade kakwenzeka kubona baningi nabo MT now Fifi Cooper.
Yeah.
They were only stars when they were under certain companies. Now that sebeyimele abasakwazi. Let's talk about your plans going forward. What does Unkosinathi wants to achieve in the next 5 years?
Nkosikhona.
Oh, yabona nje igama laNkosikhona, mina nje ngazi uWanda.
That's why they tend to turn to Uwanda. They tend to turn to wow. Okay. Irable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
In the next 5 years, God nabantu abadala basekhaya, omakhuzayo, omamchunu. I've never planned.
You've never
before.
planned.
I've never
You don't
planned
plan.
before.
You go with the flow and make sure that izinto zenza ngendlela.
Ngasho not really go with the flow, but I never planned ahead too far.
Okay.
Yeah. Because
my short-term plan.
Yeah.
So what's your short-term plan from now?
My short-term plan for now, I need to finalize something with EDFO that I've already started doing. I've been hoping to get funders for a music show that I will be producing in, I think, end of next year.
Okay.
Yeah, hopefully with Zobe say available. Oh, let me not say the name.
Yeah, don't.
Because I was on Fala.
Exactly. and
then I have a couple of shows that I went to pitch before SAPC, and I'm hoping Jobangu Bambuyela. Bazo Walontos. Bazo. And then maybe a podcast.
Okay.
Yeah, a friend of mine, he's a sport journalist. I've noticed that there are no podcasts about sports. Yeah.
Yeah.
Already started writing that one.
They do well. Who's that friend?
Sport.
Yeah.
Oh, Usiposami Kamsweli Ngobo.
Okay.
Wasenanda.
Okay.
Born and bred in Nanda.
Okay.
He was nominated alongside Robert Marawa But ngakhohlwa la Mpumalanga Awards though.
Oh wow.
Media, yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he's a very talented young man.
I wish you the best of luck.
Creative arts.
I wish you the best of luck.
Yeah.
Guys, Creative Arts gets mentioned so many times Lana on this podcast.
Yeah.
Because most of the people guest now so I mention manje because that person.
Yeah, mention. I wish you get your food record.
Are they that good?
I would like to work for them though.
Work for them as a consultant?
Not as a consultant, like as a lecturer.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
All right. That's dope. Good luck with your podcast. I hope good luck with your shows that you're hoping to have next year.
Yeah. But I won't be in front of the camera going podcast as a producer.
As a producer.
He's gonna be the sport person. I'm not a sport person.
Yeah.
I've never played sports.
Then why have interest? No more the way his career is doing well.
Friends. It's my friends and him. They get
so fascinated.
Actually, my friend I should have a father as I'm saying but like passionate ngayo ngakhuluma ngentombazane.
Yeah.
They rather talk about soccer than talk about anything else.
And they get so emotional.
And then on top of that, every week, like my friends, behleli phone.
Yeah.
Look, bibuza ukuthi udlala ini namhlanje, sibhejela ini namhlanje. Khona my colleagues am nje ane group yabo ukuthi okay, namhlanje sibhejela amaphuma team, and they actually win because they actually talk about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Babonisana ungavela ubheje nje ungazi nawo I guess ugcina lokho phosa imanje.
All right. So for the people who want to ask questions, wafuna now social media, you're open to that. No manje. If someone wants, you are supposed to pendula.
Yeah.
But you say your handles are
handles.
Yeah.
I think it's the same for all of them.
Okay.
Same for all of them. It's @Wanda_Mchunu.
@Wanda_Mchunu. If you want some wisdom and knowledge.
That's on Twitter, man. X.
Yeah, X.
Yeah,
but I still call it Twitter.
Yeah, on Twitter it's @Wanda_Mchunu.
Yes.
Wanda corner, it's WANDA.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And then on Instagram, Mchunu without the U. The name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Mchunu.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Wanda Mchunu.
Facebook is my first name. Koskona Wanda Mchunu.
Koskona Mchunu on Facebook. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Shout out to you. Shout out to everyone who wants to get into film. I hope Kona Nikfundida and Klanje. Peace.